It's Bowler Soup, your bowling release coach, and today I wanted to talk about the importance of bowling drills and exercises and the purpose that they serve. Bowling drills and exercises have a negative connotation of being ineffective, but the way I see it and the way that I like to personally put it is that they serve as supplemental understanding to everything that's taking place in our full approach. There's just so much going on, there's so much body movement that's taking place that we need to take a step back and dissect certain components and focus on that one particular thing. And I mentioned this before in the past that doing these no-step drills, these one-step drills, these three-step drills is what allowed me to get me to where I am today as a bowler. And a bowler with a generously high rev rate. It was all through drills because it helped me understand it. And because when you have an understanding of something, that allows you to grow from that understanding. You can understand something at the base level, but you can understand something even more to a higher extent, to a higher degree. And having that higher understanding is what's allowing me to explain what I'm understanding to you, because I personally went through the trials and tribulations of the process. That was a lot to say. But with that being said, bowling drills and exercises should be something that everyone at least tries. I think that when a negative experience about these different bowling drills and exercises becomes communicated, especially through social media, that experience becomes circulated, that information gets circulated, that sentiment gets echoed. People hear that sentiment, they hear that bowling drills and exercises are ineffective, that creates a limitation and a barrier. And because it does that, that doesn't allow those bowlers to give it a chance, to give it a fair trial. Because who knows, that no step, that one step drill may be the thing that clicks. One day it might just click. And so with all of this being said, you got to trust the process, give the bowling drills and exercises a chance, and be patient, have fun. See you in the next one.